How to create core and die area based on which parameters we will create core and die area. Here we have two parameters to create core and die area. First one is aspect ratio. Aspect ratio is the width by height, the ratio of width by height. So here we can see the based on metal layer, vertical metal layers and horizontal layers, we will calculate aspect ratio. Like we have two patterns, VHC means vertical, horizontal, vertical, and another pattern HVH, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. So either one of we will use in our design. So this factor mostly prefer aspect ratio mostly prefer in chip level, because in block level we have rectilinear shapes like L shape, U shape, R shape. So we have different shapes like rectilinear shapes. So we can't define height and width in single terms. So if like we are using only rectangular, we can use aspect ratio. So in block level we have rectilinear, so we won't use aspect ratio that much. So if we are using rectangle shape in block level, that time we can use aspect ratio. And in chip top level, we have only rectangular, and square shape chips only. So mostly we will prefer aspect ratio during custom layout. And another one is utilization. Based on utilization also we can create core and die area. How we will calculate utilization means core utilization we will calculate based on macros and standard cells area by total core area. How much macros staging area and how much the standard cell staging area, by adding that and by giving some margin for routing some and all, and that area by total core area. So we will get core utilization. Same like die utilization. Die utilization formula is core area by IO clearance area. IO clearance area is nothing but we are placing ports. So there is a offset, core offset. So that is called as IO clearance area by total die area. This is formula for die utilization. And to create flow plan, command is inslice flow plan. By using switches, we can create the core and die area. That's all for this video. Thank you.